What's up, guys? Upcycle the Past here. On today's episode, we are going to restore the Mark 1's chrome back bumper. If you're interested, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the little bell near the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new episodes. And let's get started. Okie dokie, so I finished disassembling the rear bumper. Whew, it was a bitch, but now it's done. Pretty dope. And the next thing that I will do is to sandblast these three parts. Clean these plastic parts with soap, and I will have to repaint them because yeah, they're in a pretty rough shape, but at least they don't have any cracks. This is the only one bolt that survived. All of the others snapped. They're here like this. So I will have to source 3 more of these. This will be cleaned as well, and after everything this will be repolished. So let's start working, and if you're enjoying this episode, please don't forget to subscribe, because only 12% of whom are watching my videos are subscribed to the channel. Not cool, guys, not cool. So there are the cleaned parts. They are really nice and hot. I will leave them for a couple of minutes to cool down, because you can't paint on hot surface. And that's kind of it. Let's see how they will turn out. Okay, so now we are going to see what we're going to do with these two plastic parts. They have a bunch of spray overspray and a tiny scuffs here and there. So let's try wiping it with a little bit of paint thinner. Yeah, I would need to use a way stronger paint thinner for this. But anyhow, my plan is paint them with texture paint. Here is the primer and here is the texture paint. And this one is with the fine texture, because this one also has a fine-ish overall texture, not too rough. There are other two types of texture paint, but I only have this one, which has a fine texture, not the rough texture. So let's see how it turns out. Okie dokie, so let's start assembling the chrome bar. These were the original bolts, but only one survived from the 4, so I will be using these bolts now. So yeah, should be fine. Okay, one part is done. Here it is, nice and shiny. Nice. Satisfying click. For this rubbery part of the bumper, I will use a black trim wax. I think this should work pretty nice because I've used it before, and it's the most natural way to treat old black trim, because painting it's not really an option, because it's rubber and it's hard to paint on rubber surface. You can do it, but who knows the outcome. Now we put the trim back. And voila! I will clean it a little bit, then show you the finished product. So guys, that's it for today's episode. I'm sorry that it was a short video with only a back bumper, but the fact is that I only found this one when I was in November in Germany, and now I'm searching for a front original bumper because this one has all the original OEM Volkswagen parts. Nothing is aftermarket on it, so it's really special. And I only paid for it around $100, which was a steal, a bargain. I couldn't do much more work on parts because it's really cold here, and I had to delay a bunch of my work, but new episodes will come soon. If you're interested and you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like the video. Take care and see you soon.